Hello YouTube, just making a short video dealing with the cold air intake I bought. When I originally bought it, it came with just one return hose right here. My factory intake had two. One for the PCV vent and one for that goes around to the back to the intake back there. What I did was they came with a filter with a little breather. I put the breather on and just ran this straight. Well, it's been causing blow-by on this side of the motor. So what I did was, I've got a T spliced in here, took that breather off and just ran the hose straight to the vent on the valve cover, and it had this straight through to the back of the intake. Guess what? The blow-by stopped. So if you get this cold air intake, and it only has one vacuum line on it when there was two on your factory, and you had one that came from the PCV vent to that, get a T, splice it in the middle, run them both to the intake, into your vent, into the one port right there, and you'll have metered air that will equalize the pressure on both sides of the engine, and you won't have any blow-by. That's just a little update I put on here for this intake. Until next video, I'll see you.